And we'll be seeing a lot of embellishments as well, like covered buttons to great buckles and even embroidery like I have on here. Yeah, so this is a great denim jacket. It's a knee length. So we're looking at different lengths as well. You have on a shorter length. There's even knee length coats as well. We're just looking at such a great amount of jackets and variety that there really is something for everyone.
So there's no major rules in terms of fall. You know how they always change the makeup trend. We're going back to matte this year, and then in terms of, but is there a trend? Obviously, whatever keeps you warm and fits you well. But is there the one thing that people need to look for when they're looking for their fall coat?
Well, what we're looking for is what suits you best and what your climate, what you're wearing it for. So there's everything again from we have wools, tweeds, leathers, and suedes for fabrics and texture, as well as the different style of coat if you want something just for a casual look or a dressy look.
I see. And for here in California, obviously people say, oh, it doesn't get cold in California when you travel, but it still does at night.
That's
you
right.
always need your coat, and maybe not a heavy, thick coat, but even in the early morning, sometimes you end up wearing that thick wool, and then in the day you wore more of the denim.
Right. That's exactly right.
Well, let's take a look. You have some models with us.
Great.
Some of the latest styles.
Let's take a look at our first model. Here we have Nadia, and she is really showing us that dressy coats are back. This is a new take on the classic belted trench. This is from Tommy Bahama. It's 100% silk, and it's a menswear silhouette that really has a modern feminine look. The belt gives her that hourglass look, and it has a great buckle as well to give it a nice embellishment. And this really is a great look for a dressier outfit. She has on an ankle-length pant to really keep it up to date for a night out on the town. Or she can even dress it down with a turtleneck or a pair of jeans.
Obviously, this is beautiful. Isn't it a beautiful texture, but not one you would actually wear in the rain, even though it's modeled kind of after that raincoat look.
Yeah, silk. Right. It's a great way you can even update your wardrobe with something like this and really incorporate it with everything that you have.
All right, Mom, I'll call you later, okay?
This runs around $200.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not bad. That's a lovely looking coat. All right, let's move on to the next one.
Thank you. Here we have Oliver, and he has on this shirt jacket. Now, this is really popular this season. This is something that is so ultimate, easy, one-piece dressing. I mean, it's something that can stand alone, or you can wear it as layering, as he has on here. And underneath, he has on a woven shirt, and he's layered on top this great suede fabric jacket, which is from Indigo Palms, and it's a classic timeless piece. Now this is something that he can wear in his wardrobe for years to come, and it really has that nice, great earth tone color that we were talking about, and if you're more of a dramatic look, you could even have that in black. So this is something that is comfortable, it's easy, he's wearing it with a classic pair of a dark wash jean, or he could dress it up with trousers.
Well, interesting how this is so casual that it's, you know, it's like a shirt coat. Where you basically can
a shirt jacket.
Where a guy looks at that, they'll go, that's a shirt. Like, they probably button it up all the way and not realize that you can wear it as a coat and layer it,
That's right. So that's how versatile this piece is, that you can do both with that.
You can't wear it with a shirt. Basically, here in California, you just layer. And how much would something like that run?
This runs around the $200, $300 range.
Okay, yeah, great. Let's take a look at
Thank you.
Lovely lady.
Okay, great. Here is Christy. Now she has on this great swing jacket. Now this is something we're seeing a lot of. This is on the runways. This is that really great retro look. It's in a black jacquard printed trapeze style, which has a great 3/4 sleeve, a fuller sleeve, as well as it has the covered buttons to really give it that stylish look. Now this instantly dresses up a pair of jeans, as she has it on here with a tight-fitting jean and boot, or she could wear this over a dress or even trousers as well. Now this is a very versatile piece, and it has front pockets and the buttons, and it's just something great to wear to incorporate to update that wardrobe of yours for this season.
Interesting. And I noticed the length of the sleeve. Is that a trend this season, of the shorter sleeve?
That is a trend. Now with this type of sleeve, you could even, if you want, if you feel comfortable, you can wear this with a turtleneck and have the sleeve coming out. You can wear a blouse. So it's okay if you want to wear your sleeve coming longer to your wrist.
All right. Well, we're running out of time. Let's just take a last quick peek at another male model, and then we'll wrap up.
Finally, we have Alan. Now, Alan is wearing our traditional pea coat. Now, this is something that is just fabulous in all wardrobes. This is from Island Soft. It's 100% wool herringbone, and it's in a rich coffee color. It's fully lined with cotton jacquard. It has the angled lower pockets for that really great pea coat look, and it's mid-length. And this is great for layering as well as for dressing up for a colder weather.
Cool. Well, some great insights into the fall coat fashions. Thank you so much for joining us, Gina Lee. All right. If you guys like more information, you can log on to fox6.com. Well, coming up, how